Hey everybody, this is Anna from HotActionBabe.com. It has been so relentless, this buying and bidding up in the market the last couple of weeks. We've come 150 SPX points in about 6 or 7 trading days. It's just been absolutely nuts. But that being said, I'm not feeling so well today, so this is going to be sort of a short video. I just want to show you a couple of things we'll go over, and I'll keep it short and sweet. Here we got the dollar here on the 60-minute chart, and it is already looking like it might be getting a little overextended on the upside, okay? But it just had a beating. You can see from here, we've just gone straight down. It is in this channel. Thing is giving me a hard time. It's in this channel right here, so it has to break out of this on the upside to continue higher. So you can see it may poke its head out, but it really needs to get some momentum behind it. On the daily, you can see that it's now getting oversold. Okay, so there's a couple of different things. You know, this market really needs to have some kind of correction. But that being said, I've been through this before where they continually just bid it up, bid it up, bid it up. And the ones that are doing all these banks, all these Wall Street people, and that's one of the reasons this Occupy Wall Street is taken off, because we as middle class people, most of us are paying for all kinds of higher prices and fuel and services, but yet we're not making more money, and the dollar's being devalued as usual. So we're back to that scenario again, and it's very distressing. Very distressing. To the 2 shopping centers closest to me, there's almost nobody left. I mean, they're empty, and these are like 30 stores that have maybe 2 left. One's a Subway, okay, and that tells you something right there. And where I go to my gym, the gym's there, but the other 25 stores around it are all closed except for the Chinese place. I mean, come on, we have no growth, and you know, my feeling is that they want to wipe out as many people as they can. That's my feeling, and I'm not the only one, obviously. Let's take a look at the VIX. I don't want to get on my horn here. Another oversold looking chart here on the bottom that you can see. Pull that up so you can see. The MACD is just continually going down and converging down here. Okay, so right now it's basically in this little down channel. So we'll see if that changes. I have a feeling they'll just work off enough oversold conditions so that they can pump it up for maybe through the rest of the year. We can take a look at the 60 here for this morning and see how that looks. Now that's pointing up. Okay, I don't draw these perfectly. There's that fake print I pointed out last week on it. I don't trade off of those at all. I do recognize that they're there occasionally. Could it be a late fill? Yeah, could be. But when you pull up a longer term chart, let me pull up the 4-hour, it's still there. So it could be a late fill, so we have to keep aware of those kind of things. Okay, now going to the E-minis, you can see we still have this ginormous bear flag, but we made this V bottom and we haven't looked back. Basically, we ran into some resistance up here around 1220, and it may come back to around 1213, but I just don't see anything that's gonna, you know, this thing's just on the warpath. It's just vertical on its way up. I'm trying to draw this. There you go. Again, I'm sorry, I'm not feeling very well today. Actually, I'm going to the doctor today, so see what's going on. So we're down here a little bit this morning. We got a lot of earnings coming up this week, so if any of you are interested in any options type trades. I'll try to start doing the options posts more often in different strategies, and I'm working on revamping the whole site. So just bear with me, stick with me, and I really appreciate you all being here. Really, I do. And I will talk to you later. Have a great week, and just trade really carefully. Okay? Thanks. Bye.